Hello students, this video for the JEE 2025 aspirants. I know tomorrow is your exam, and now I know also you are failing because I am also passed through this feeling. So don't worry about the exam. Exam is very easy. You already done your hard work. You already done your part. You are already done your job. So why you think like that one? Okay, so that is not be like I'm also passed through the student life now, so I know this feeling is coming. So I will tell to you which thing you don't do one day before the exam. Yes. So first thing is that you don't do the overthinking, because overthinking is like be poison for the students. Yes or no? Yes. Because I know when you doing the overthinking, then you are losing your confidence. If you losing your confidence, then what is the meaning? You done your hard work in last 2 year, so don't worry about that thing. Okay, I know paper is coming very easy. I know paper is coming the very easy, and the same type of question you already done in a classes. So why you thinking like that one? Okay, don't be go in a panic zone. Okay, you done your best. I know the best thing, but you just have a patience. You maintain your patience. That is literally help to the in your exam. And I also suggest to all the students, today night you take the good sleep, take the good food, enjoy the today night. I know tomorrow is your exam, but you are not feeling that one, but I suggest to you, because this thing is scientifically proof. If you are happy before the exam, it means your exam will be go to the correct manner. You are getting the good marks in the exam. Okay, so that's why I'm suggest to you. Okay, and next I will tell to tomorrow, like tomorrow morning your first exam morning shift. So I will especially suggest to the morning shift students, don't be panic, because don't be revise more and more, because if you revising more and more, so what is happening, your doubt will be increasing, and you are thinking, okay, I forgot the this thing, I forgot the this thing. And why is it happening? Because this is the exam anxiety, and this is very danger for the students. So don't do this thing. Don't be do the overthinking. Calmly, and you enjoy the today night, write the tomorrow exam. I know your exam is going very best. Now I will tell to another thing about the exam. Sir, you have a doubt, sir. First one which one we solve, physics, chemistry, ms? I suggest to the all students, if you are good in physics, so I will suggest to you go for the physics. And if you are good in chemistry, so you go for the chemistry. If you are good in maths, so you go for the like same thing. And okay, and next thing is coming in an exam, many students are doing the silly mistakes, so avoid that silly mistake. You read the question carefully, what is saying. You write that thing in a page, yes or no, that paper, so that is become easy. Paper is not be hard. I know in last 2 3 years they are give to the easy question, but they are asking the knowledge. Obviously they are asking the, you are aware is this time or not. If you not be aware, so obviously you are losing that easy questions also. So don't be do that thing. And I also tell to you ki if you done the one calculation and you are not getting to, you don't be go to the same calculation. I said that you write the neat and clean that solution. So that's why if you have last time, then you again see that question, and then easy, because you already done the half part. So why you doing the again that part? Yes. Okay, next thing. And don't do the more negative. Don't be like you not getting answer, so don't be go, okay, approximately you are getting like that one, approximately you are getting answer, so you just tick it. Okay. And I also tell to another thing, here's a 150-50 percentage, because in a 50-50 probability concept, in this one what is happening, you try to eliminate the options. If you don't know about that concept, so at least you are reaching that question to the near that one. Okay, and attempt the according to your capacity. Like if you able to attempt a 25, so I suggest you go 25. If you are thinking I'm not be for the 25, so at least you go 20 like that one, but you go for the good for. Okay. And don't worry about the paper. Paper is very easy. There are a lot of things happening in exam paper. Don't lose your patience, because that time if you lose the patience, you are not getting anything in the exam. Your paper will be destroyed. Okay, don't lose your patience. And if, okay, why you losing the confidence? I know that thing. Why losing your patience? If you not getting the initial 1 2 questions answer, so you are come to in a panic zone. And if you come to the panic zone, I know you will lose everything. So if you are not getting first question, second question answered, or don't worry about that thing, you skip that question, go to the next question. Obviously that next question may be easy, and don't leave the any question without reading. At least you read the all questions. That's why you know, because in every exam they are give to the like 30 to 35 easy paper. So try to choose that 35 paper. If you are weak, I'm not be saying weak, but you are not be able to judge that thing, so you try to choose the easy questions. Okay, and in every subject you try to cover 13 to 14 questions. It means if you're getting 13 to 14 correct question, it means that is the average. Every students are attempting to like that one. So average questions don't leave. You are try 50, 13, 14 question in physics, 14 question in math, and 14 question in chemistry. And remaining thing you leave on God, and God is give to the best in your life. I know that thing. Best of luck, guys. Enjoy your tomorrow exam day. I know you are getting the good marks in exam. Thank you, guys.